I have a few deals for you that you can do at Walgreens from March 2nd to the 8th. Don't forget to clip your coupons before going into the store so that you don't miss out on anything. I'm going to show you some deals that are going to start basically tomorrow. Today's Saturday. The 1st is going to start tomorrow. And don't forget again to like and follow so you can get notified when I post videos and I show you the sales. Share so that more people could enjoy these savings, and let's go straight into the video. First deal, we have the Tresemme at $7 each one for a total of $14. And you're going to earn $4 when you buy the two. Now, many times we get a $5 digital coupon. If you didn't use yours that we had already, then you can use that one. And if not, maybe they'll put a $5 one. Usually that's around the amount that they put. So $14 for the two minus $5 is $9, but you get back $4. It'll be $5 for the two items or $2.50 for each one. Let's go to the next one. One of the best deals that we're going to have this week is going to be on these items, the Bounce, Downy, Febreze, Gain, and Tide Simply. You're going to be able to get them 4 for $10. That means that each product will be $2.50. You can do one of each like you see here, or you can buy 4 of the same kind, mix and match however you want. But that is going to be such a great deal. We're going to have Scott, the tissue paper at $5 or the paper towels at $5 as well. And I believe it's going to be buy one and get one 50% off because we've been getting that deal a lot. Plus we have digital coupons. I have a $1 and a $1.25 Walgreens one. So clip your coupons. It's very important. And that way you can get the best deal out of these two. If it's buy one, get one 50% off, then we're going to pay $7.50. But if you can be able to put those two coupons, if you have them both and they apply, you can get these for as low as like $2.50 to $2 and change. So that's one of the good deals. The General Mills cereal is a really good deal, and I'm going to tell you why, because it's not just what you see here. There's something extra. So for example, there are 3 for $7, the General Mills cereal. However, in my case, I have an old coupon that I got a while ago, but it's still good up until the end of March. And so it says that when I buy 3, I'm going to get $1.50 off. So it's not just going to be 3 for $7 for me in my case. And if you have yours, I hope you still have it from like a while back, or you've got it printed recently, it'll come out to 3 for $5.50. OMG, that's really, really good. That's like better than the ones we've had before if you have that coupon. And also check your Ibotta account if you have one. If you don't, I'm going to leave you my referral code because Ibotta has had some coupons for the cereals. I'm not sure if they're still going to have it by tomorrow, the 2nd of March, but check your account for that too, because at this point we're going to get these cereals for like $1.50 each. But anyway, check your account for that. You can pick up some Crest deals, so toothpaste or toothbrushes at $5 each, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in store if you do that in store. Also, we're having that digital perk that when you buy 2, that's gonna be online though. So you can do it online. When you buy 2, you're gonna get the $5, or in this case, you do it in the store and you're gonna get the $5. But we might have more digital coupons that would attach to this. Like we have one now that's buy 3 and get 5 off. So again, at the end, you can pay like $5 for 3 items. Or you can, like tomorrow, if you want to know a transaction that I can show you how you can get this for pretty much free, let me know in the comments and I'll let you know. Because I think if we can get those paper perks and combine them with the in-store deal and digital coupons, I think you can get these for like free or pretty close. So put in the comments if that interests you. If you are more of a Colgate person, you can get 2 Colgates. I'm not sure what coupons they're going to have by tomorrow, but if you haven't used your $4 and you still have it, then it'll be buy 2, $4 each for a total of $8. There's a $4 digital coupon that we have had, or we might get new ones. So if you take off $4, you're left to pay $4 in store, but you're going to get back $3 for having bought the 2. Therefore, each one is going to be 50 cents. We got Huggies brand diapers and wipes. You could do the Huggies diapers or the wipes or the pull-ups. And it's going to be 2 for $20. But when you purchase 3 packs, you're going to get $5 back in a register reward. Plus, you got to check any digital coupons that you may have for it. Now, the way that Walgreens works, if you don't know, if you're new here, is that, for example, this says 2 for $20. But if you buy the 3rd pack, they were still granted that you're going to get that 3rd pack for the same amount. So this would be 2 for $20, means 10 each one. Therefore, when you buy 3, it'll be 30 for the 3. And then you'll get the $5 back in a store register rewards, plus whatever coupons you may have in your account. And if you can couple that in the store with one of those spend 15 get 5 boosters or any digital boosters that you may have, this could be such a great deal. We haven't been getting too many diaper deals recently, so this was really good to see. Like and follow for more videos like these. If you have any couponing questions, put them in the comments. And if you want to see videos on either individual items, or you want to see videos on transactions that have a bunch of deals together to be able to use those perks, put them in the comment as well. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.